Hello dear students, welcome back to series of videos on ICET presented by Maitri Academy. I am Harikrishna. So you can see the question which is given in TS ICET question number 92 2023 paper. If you observe this question, a merchant purchases 15 pence for 1200 rupees and sells 12 pence for 1500 rupees. Then percentage profit he gets. So this is a question given from profit and loss. Before we solve that question, we'll discuss a simple concept, and I'm sure after listening that concept you will be definitely able to solve the question by taking less than 10 seconds of time. So if you are first time visiting Maitri Academy channel, please subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon to get the notification on the new videos. So let's start with the concept. So this question is from the profit and loss chapter, and especially the concept is related to percentage change. That means finding percentage increase or decrease. So before we jump into percentage increase and decrease kind of questions, student must aware of the fractions and equivalent percentage values. So if he aware of the fractions and equivalent percentage values, then solving the percentage increase and decrease questions will become very easy. This is very important and mandatory thing every student must to know. We'll discuss some tricks related to this, but as of now, take a screenshot and remember these fractions and equivalent percentages ranging from 1 by 1 to 1 by 20. So 1 by 1 is 100 percentage, 1 by 2 is 50 percentage, 1 by 3 is 33.33 percentage, or otherwise we can also write 33 1 by 3 percentage. 1 by 4 is 25 percentage, 1 by 5 is 20 percentage, 1 by 6 is 16.66 percentage, 1 by 7 is 14.28 percentage, 1 by 8 is 12.5 percentage, 1 by 9 is 11.11 percentage, 1 by 10 is 10 percentage, 1 by 11 is 9.09 percentage, 1 by 12 is 8.33 percentage, 1 by 13 is 7.69 percentage, 1 by 14 is 7.14 percentage, 1 by 15 is 6.66 percentage, 1 by 16 is 6.25 percentage, 1 by 17 is 5.88 percentage, 1 by 18 is 5.55 percentage, 1 by 19 is 5.26 percentage, 1 by 20 is 5 percentage. So these are the fractions and equivalent percentage values. So how to convert a fraction into percentage? It's very simple. If you want to convert any fraction, into percentage, what you can do is just multiply and divide with 100. See, for example, I have a fraction like this 1 by 5 and I want to convert this fraction into percentage. For that, what you can do, you can just multiply with 100 and divide with 100. So what is the meaning of percent? Percent, the name itself is indicating. Per means divided by, cent means 100. That means percent means 1 by 100, or otherwise we can also replace with percentage symbol. So here 1 by 5 to convert into percentage, what I am doing is I am just further simplifying this part. So this is 100 by 5. 100 by 5 means which is giving a result as 20 divided by 100. So 20 by 100 means we can write this as 20 percentage. So fraction and equivalent percentage value. Okay. So just remember, so to convert the fraction to percentage, this is a method, but I am expecting you to by heart all the values from 1 by 1 to 1 by 20 so that you will be feeling very comfortable of solving the questions. So 1 by 1 is 100 percentage, everyone knows this, and 1 by 2 is 50 percentage, 1 by 3 is 33.33 percentage, 1/3 is 33.33 percentage, 1 by 4 is 25 percentage, 1 by 5 is 20 percentage. Till here most of you might remember, and after that we'll try to discuss the trick. So 1 by 6, the fraction itself is having the value 1 by 6, 1 by 6, 16.66 percentage, 1 by 6 is 16.66 percentage, and 1 by 12 is exactly half of 1 by 6, means 1 by 12 is, we can write 1 by 12 as what? Half of 1 by 6. That means 1 by 6 we know 16.66 percentage. So 1 by 12 will be 8 point, half of 16 is 8, half of 66 is 33. So 1 by 12 will be 8.33 percentage. And 1 by 7, 1 by 7. So look at the denominator. Denominator is 7. 7 2s are 14. 7 4s are 28. So 1 by 7 is 14.28 percentage. Similarly, 1 by 14 will be half of this. That means half of 14 is 7, half of 28 is 14. So 1 by 14 is 7.1114 percentage. 1 by 14 is equal to 7.14 percentage. And then 1 by 8. If you know 1 by 4 value, finding 1 by 8 is not difficult. 1 by 4 is 25 percentage. That means 1 by 8 will be half of this. Half of 25 is 12.5. So 1 by 8 is 12.5 percentage. And similarly, please do remember this relation, 9 and 11 relation. 9 and 11 relation. So whenever you see denominator with 9, numerator will be consisting of 11s. Whenever you see denominator with 11, numerator will be consisting of 9. So here 1 by 9, denominator is 9. So numerator will be 11 multipliers. So 1 by 9 will be 11.11 percentage. 1 by 11 will be equal to 9.09 percentage. Similarly, any derived fractions. See, if it is 2 by 9 is there. So what you will look at? You will look at the denominator. Denominator is 9. If the denominator is 9, numerator will be 11 multipliers. So 1 by 9 will be 11.11. 2 by 9 will be 22.22 percentage. For example, 2 by 11 is required. 1 by 11 is 9.09 percentage. 2 by 11, 9 2 is 18, 18.18 percentage. Like that, you can derive, find out the values and remember 9 and 11 relation. And 1 by 10, everyone knows it is 10 percentage. 1 by 11 is already done. 1 by 12 is already done. 1 by 13, 1 by 13. Remember 13 square value, it is 169. So 1 by 13 will be 7.69 percentage. The last two digits after the decimal will be similar to 13 square value. 1 by 13 is 7.69. 1 by 14 we already taken. And 1 by 15 onwards. 1 by 15, 1 by 15. So denominator is 15, 1 plus 5 is 6. So it will repeat with the 6, 6.66 percentage, 6.66 percentage. And 1 by 16, 1 by 16. 1 by 16, just remember 25 square, 625, 1 by 16 is 6.25 percentage. And if you remember 1 by 16, 1 by 19 is just reverse of this, that is 5.26 percentage. And 1 by 15 and 1 by 18 is having a relation. 1 by 15 will be repeating with 6, 1 by 18 will be repeating with 5, 5.55 percentage. And 1 by 17 is the only one left. 1 by 17 is 5.88 percentage. 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 will repeat with the last two digits after the decimal. So these are the values you can remember so that you will be feeling comfortable to solve the questions. We'll observe what is the use of these fractions and percentages when we are calculating the percentage change. See, for example, the price of the article is 600 rupees. Price of the article is 600 rupees. It becomes 800 on the next day. What is the percentage increase in the price of the article? So you can observe 600 become 800. 600 become 800 means we can say on top of 600, there is an increase of 200. We can write this as 1 by 3, 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 is nothing but 33.33 percentage, 33.33 percentage. Like that we can find out the percentage increase. So For example, 900 is a value. 900 become 1100. What is the percentage increase? 900 become 1100 means we can say on top of 900, there is an increase of 200. It is giving a result as 2 by 9. As I told you in the previous, when you see the denominator with 9, numerator will be consisting of 11. So 11 into 2, which is 22.22 percentage. 22.22 percentage. For example, 1200 is a value. 1200 become 1500. What is the percentage increase is a question. 1200 become 1500 means we can say on top of 1200 there is an increase of 300. We can further simplify this. So 3 ones are 3 fours are 4 ones are 4, 25 is 100. So 25 by 100 means 25 percentage. So like that we can find out the percentage increase. Hope you are able to understand. The same thing, the percentage increase and decrease questions you can see in profit and loss also. But instead of giving some numbers, they will give the numbers with the cost price and selling price. For example, the question is given like this. The cost price of the article is 600 rupees and the selling price of the article is 700 rupees. What is the percentage profit gained by the merchant? Percentage profit gained by the merchant. Percentage profit means just percentage increase only. So 600 becomes 700 means always take the base value as cost price. This is the only point you have to keep it in mind. Start with the cost price. 600 becomes 700 means we can say on top of 600 there is an increase of 100. It is giving a result as 1 by 6. What is 1 by 6? 1 by 6 is 16.66 percentage. 1 by 6 is 16.66 percentage. For example, we have a question like this. Cost price of the article is 800 rupees and selling price of the article is 600 rupees. What is the percentage profit or loss gained by the merchant? So they didn't mention whether it is profit or loss. You have to understand it. So as I told you in the previous, start always with the cost price. Cost price is 800. 800 becomes 600. 800 becomes 600 means we can say on top of 800 there is a decrease of 200. So we can comfortably write this as 1 by 4. What is 1 by 4? 25 percentage. And this decrease indicates what? Loss. So we can say 25 percentage loss. Okay, that's how you can use these fractions and percentages while you are solving the questions. Now we'll jump into the questions which are related to this. Observe a simple question on the screen. Cost price of the article is 800. Selling price of the article is 900. Find the percentage profit or loss. So as I told you, we have to start the question with the cost price. Cost price is clearly given as 800 rupees. Selling price is clearly given as 900 rupees. 800 become 900 means we can say on top of 800 there is an increase of 100. That is 100 indicates the profit value, but we are trying to calculate percentage profit. It is giving a result as 1 by 8. What is 1 by 8? 1 by 8 is 12.5 percentage. Mark your answer choice as option C. Let's take one more question. So here in this type, he mentioned that the Sridhar sold 16 pens at the cost of 20 pens. What is the profit and loss percentage made by him? So you can observe Sridhar sold 16 pens. Sold indicates selling price. 16 pence selling price. 16 pence selling price is the same as 20 pence cost price. From this data, we can comfortably write selling price by cost price. I just bought this cost price to this side and 20 divided by 16. I bought 16 to this side because it's multiplying here. Here it will divide. And now you are comfortably able to understand that the cost price of the article is 16 rupees. Just compare the numerator and numerator, denominator and denominator. Selling price of the article is 20 rupees. Cost price is 16, selling price is 20. 16 become 20 means we can say on top of 16 there is an increase of 4. We can write this as 1 by 4. 1 by 4 is nothing but 25 percentage. Up arrow indicates profit. Mark the answer 25 percentage profit. Mark the answer 25 percentage profit. Let's take one more question. This is a very important repeating model question in ICET examination. Ankush sold 21 books at the cost of 18 books. How can we write this? Sold indicates selling price. 21 books selling price is the same as 18 books cost price. Using this, we can comfortably write selling price by cost price will be equal to 18 by 21. 18 by 21. That means that cost price of the article is 21 rupees and selling price of the article is 18 rupees. 21 become 18. That means on top of 21, there is a decrease of 3. 3 by 21 we can comfortably written as 1 by 7. 1 by 7 is 14.28 percentage. Down arrow indicates loss. So you can mark the answer. There is a loss of 14.28 percentage in the entire transaction. Mark the answer option B. Let's take one more question. Here in this question, they mentioned that the selling price of the article is 3 by 9 of cost price. How can we write this? Selling price of the article, SP, is indicates equality. 3 by 9 of the cost price. Find the percentage profit or loss. So from this data, we can write selling price by cost price will be equal to 3 by 9. 3 by 9. So that means cost price is 9 rupees, selling price is 3 rupees. 9 rupees become 3 rupees. What is the percentage profit or loss? Always start with the cost price. Cost price is the base value. 9 become 3 means on top of 9 there is a decrease of 6. We can comfortably write this as 2 by 3. 1 by 3 is 33.33. 2 by 3 is 66.66 percentage. This down arrow indicates loss. Mark the answer 66.66 percentage loss. 66.66 percentage loss. Hope you are able to understand. Let's take one more question of the similar type. A merchant purchases 4 pens for 20 rupees. So 4 pens purchases indicates what? Cost price. 4 pens cost price is given as 20 rupees. And he sells 6 pens at 36 rupees. 6 pence selling price. 6 pence selling price is 36 rupees. Using this, we have to find out percentage profit made by him. So cost price we can 4 pence cost price is 20 rupees. Using this, we can find out 1 pen cost price. So what is the cost price of 1 pen? If 4 pens are 20 rupees, 1 pen will be 20 by 4, 20 by 4, which is going to be 5 rupees. If 6 pence selling price is 36 rupees, 1 pen selling price will become 36 by 6, which is 6 rupees. 5 rupees is a cost price, 6 rupees is a selling price. 5 becomes 6. On top of 5, there is an increase of 1. 1 by 5 is nothing but 20 percentage. So mark your answer choice as 20 percentage profit. 20 percentage profit. Mark the answer option C. Hope you are able to understand. Now we'll try to solve the question which is given in the ICET paper. If you observe this question, a merchant purchases 15 pens for 1200 rupees and he sells 12 pens at 1500 rupees. What is the percentage profit or loss made by him? This is a question given for us. So to solve this question, as I told you, so 15 pence cost price, purchases indicates cost price. So 15 pence cost price is given as 1200. Using this, we can comfortably write what is the cost price of 1 pen? It is going to be 1200 divided by 15. 1200 divided by 15. 3 4s are 3 5s are 5 20s 100. So 20 into 4, the cost price of each pen is 80 rupees. And now he sells 12 pens at 1500 rupees. That means 12 pence selling price. 12 pence selling price is equal to 1500. If you know 12 pence selling price is 1500, the selling price of 1 pen will be equal to 1500 divided by 12. 3 5s are 3 4s are 4 1s are 4 25s are 25 into 5, which is going to be 125. So I clearly understand cost price is 80 rupees, selling price is 125 rupees. What is the percentage profit? 80 become 125 means we can say on top of 80 there is an increase of 45. We can further simplify this. How can we simplify? I am just adding one more 0 here and I am further simplifying this part and replace by 100 with percentage. 8 1s are 8 5s are 40 and we left with 50. 8 6 are 48. We left with 2 by 8. So 56 2 by 8 we can comfortably write 56 1 by 4 percentage, which is available as option 3. Mark it as answer choice. That's how you can solve this type of model question. It's a very important model question and expected question in the examination. Hope you are clear with this and try to do some practice questions and comment your answer choice in the chat box. Look at the practice question number 1. Practice question number 2. Practice question number 3. Practice question number 4. Please comment your answer choices in the chat box. Thank you so much.